Hello, welcome to a video tutorial on the MPLAB. So today my name is Haziq and I'll be going to show you on how to use the MPLAB and as well as on how to configure the MPLAB. So step number one, what you have to do is open up your My Computer and then go to your drive right here. So under this directory, you have to create a new folder or name called MPLAB. I already did this, so you guys go ahead and do that. So after you're done creating this folder right here, go ahead and double click it, and then under this directory you have to create a new folder. For example, let's say I'll create a new folder called file number 1. Okay, so this is MPLAB. So under this directory you have this folder called trial number 1. Step 2, open up your MPLAB. Okay, close all these windows and then go to the configure tab right here and then select device. So under the device option you choose PIC18F458, choose that and then select OK, and then go ahead and go under the configure tab again, and then this time we go on to the configuration bits. So under this setting, what you have to do is to uncheck this box right here. So go ahead and uncheck that and then select OK. So the next thing is what you have to do is on this oscillator selection bits category, go ahead and change it to HS oscillator. So that's done, and then the next thing is you scroll down a bit. Under the watchdog timer enable bit, this one, what you have to do is disable it like that, and then the other option is to go ahead and see this option right here, low voltage ICSB. What you have to do is to disable it. Okay. Step 3, after you're done with the configuration, what you want to do now is to write your codes. So to do that, you have to go onto file and click new. Alternatively, you can click this icon right here, click that, and then we have this white window right here. Right, this is an example of codes that I wrote down for this video. So after you wrote down all your codes, what you want to do is you have to save this file. Save this code. By doing so, we have to go to this file and then go to save as, and then you have to rename this file. Let's say for example 1, and this is very important. You have to put the extension at the back here as ASM in order for the program to recognize this file. So, and then you go ahead and click save, and notice that the program, the MPLAB, this code changes color. That means the program recognized the file. Step 4, before you compile your codes right here, you need to create a project file. So to do that, you have to go to this project tab right here and then click that, and then under the tab you have to choose project wizard. Go ahead and do that, and then just click next, And then the device option, you have to choose this, the IC18F458. Make sure you choose that and then click next. So under this active tool suite, you have to choose this microchip MPLAB tool suite. So go ahead and do that, and make sure after you select that, you have to make sure you have all these three components right here. First one, second one, and third one. So after you verify all that, and then you can click next. So then you have to create new project file. So what you have to do is you rename it under your folder here. You can rename it as, for example, let's say example loop 1, and then click save. So and then you can click next, and then here you have to add your file that you just created. For example, this one, the one that we created just now. This one you have to add it, and then as you can see, it was added to the project file. So once you've done that, you click next. So that's pretty much it. Then click finish. So the next thing is you open up again the file that you just created, and you have the codes that you wrote down earlier. Step 5. So after you're done creating your project file and wrote down all your codes, what you want to do next is to compile this code. So go ahead onto this project tab right here, and then go under the build all, or alternatively you can use Control F10. So go ahead and do that. So right now it's compiling, and there you go, build succeeded. So that's pretty much it about MPLAB. So that concludes our video tutorial on the MPLAB. So thank you very much for watching.